Ghana match na Yeboah ye ni straight 1-0 makada da anɔpa no na me sen sisu bia me dia na Yeboah Agyekum Francis
enti Ghana for no buza se obopese omohu ese si ano Yeboah Agyekum Francis thank you say we ba medical scientist but now no anya bia wasai nyame nipa ka ho ana se owani ohu for because Ghana first eyomwanwa kwan of so predictive Blasters win no against Panama no say nwanwa pa ama Avraham be Moshe no kire mu say Yeboah Agyekum Francis oye prophet mama nkire mu no akire wadwen e de amame e comment section ayi PENYAH block media message was say any demo obe like video da ma subscribe button subscribe the key notification con update update akire wadwen da amame e comment section oba so a no che first onya bi ahwe na eye nala money sending app wo USA wo UK open your send this ka edebe fie bia wo bia no twen nala app no eto phone so en first can come agent say on send na fe oti ho na yam hyehye na wo fire fie aba yes mai na yam hyehye there be twen app no nala twen to phone so register or say use my promo code PENYAH TV na efa send this ka na amount a cool $20 as bonus pay na open there baby of bia no eye nala money sending app yeah nala let's go to the conversation on say over media no so there's a new gentleman on the app, a friend of Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Oh no. We are self-taught trichologist. Ana osaye ba medical scientist. Just say onye obi ahunu keke. Enye obi a watena media no so asua bibia na say bi ode AI and generating the fact. Ana ode Google asua de. There be we a very learned by medical scientist. Wako school asua de wo mabodin krata. Wako school a graduate onye lipe kumasa it ordinate de an abetra media no e man kire o fire le bia no a kire ma kire Ghana fo no ama ehu de nema evi ama evi kwa na nsen kra no on say ensuo toto or the teaching be e by tender kra agrada tender isi or the teaching ba na e nice
ensuo no toto lighting no e ba tender agrada ebobobobom na no lady ba ko obi sim ami kire mu Ghana fo na mu nsu ade mfiri but like video na ka kire obi say de na Yeboah de aba de mama part o agrada no enye akuma bia na free wi mu bawo electricity na esoro ye wo voltage osoro bibi betimasi during storm na charges na security positive no ko wi pa na negative na ben asase so kakra na asase ye nam so yi neutral grounds slightly negative enti because the negative na ben form kakra nti no repel negative na was as electrons no e kofom na surface ni na be positive na sa yonkofa na omo science kakra nim say unlike terms attract oba ne be ma mo attract be ma ne be ma mo repel no sa de no ma e create potential difference enti it say giant battery it's a battery ke sie pa na negative no osoro na positive no asie na na e wa mfimfini no nka is not supposed to conduct electricity na mum sa anu ye den pa na sa ne be ionized na itimi e connect na akose lightning na lightning no eba na America ni heat e wo mu a eba no over 30,000 degrees Celsius na eba no e man frama na e won chane nyina o mu expand sa expansion no e na e fe ne tender e bom bugugugum dinya ni na eba bekun na mum e lightning na eba no e na eba bekun lightning na eba no e high voltage na e wo ye fie ni ye 240 volts mo ta ne market ne kwa shock wa waso be hye but that voltage in free remember hundreds of millions of volts. I'm not shit. Na we na obetimi aye wo fie na nsu to a aboa ne ya ebubobo mi. Me pato enkogina open field. Bebrebe ko akogina park so no nko agina na nsu to. Oso wo gina ni. Won say form ni nyina eye flat na wo gina ho nti wo soro. Na de esi ni say light no ba on target say wo ba ye obi abibia o. Opese obe neutralize obe wura fom. Won say omo sidan a omo de earth wire bi ana say rod the road be see dan no so na dia ba na da be wura asase na dia grounding no na grounding rod no ade no mo de ye no copper na ya mo de sisiro no copper is very good conductor for electricity in this ade no be fa electricity na eba no na be wura asase na neutralize no enti wo ye nipa also wo ions wo ye good conductor nti so wo gina park so a sa ground surface no ade no bo be fa wo mu na wo be wura fom ko nche da nim so ye nipa na siu mu enti anya akuma a light but the way see ban it me paiduam but you ati ase enti on say that misconception say agrada omo dia bo obi dua I mean nye sanete why den so be dia tum because what ya free nkwa be nyana nye sanete wo ye obi na wonam nsuo mbra nsuo to na kine na ehye oti no was a metal we be no tin so be very careful because bit ma from say a background hole afom ana say we obi a we use phone time na nsuo to wa plug their man light no bit ma say phone nsuo to bit ma use phone bibia until but make sure say onyan connecting ma main source ana say light na emwa ofiri gino niam tisi na say anu bobo grigrigu bebre a obetimi adundum no ya man ko gina mbenda de e bia o ko gina dade bi ase ma anye sa so oda swimming pool na oda nsuom river bi mu na say nsuo to a dwane free ho me pa acho oda ho a ho ni nyina ye conductors nti is likely say be free ho na aba fa so oda nsuom na ade na be si nsuom high voltage nsuom be say ye de wo ya betu nsuom na odam say be shock you nti bo so nipa no wono so awu lady ni de na striking so hwe ya na mo gina fie mu ba feel na mo ye na ho ye very open no e bit ma facade direction na be wafu na abe strike ko nti mo ya adwen ko so sa ni marketing kiti we na they are science, they are purely science that can be explained nti nsuo mu na wa afuo mu a je ne ntembra fie because oba ne nam nnua no bi mu wo soro nti obetima fa duani mu aba wugina duani ase a ebu agusu no wei na beje nkwa nti nyina dua tintin ase nkogina dade high tension bi aho nkogina nsuo mu nkoda nsuo babia wugina no se ansi usokora na se si dua mu a ewuru afom a fom ni nyina yese electrocuted no ebe falls mu wow bends away because high voltage tete no they didn't understand certain things because bekoda afom na agrada adwama dua mu apa then they pai dua tete no eya akuma to mbeka sa agrada eya akuma ketuwa bi shen ye nka say dorma machine because atana dorma machine ni wo what ma say enti nei and bia ba yesu ade akwa anim ye behu say eye high voltage electricity median Yeboah Agyekum Francis na niema say na tam bia me kire ni nyina ne say ye betima live healthy e wa asase e tisui anse Yankopon ato ne nsa afre na mo nsura no mwa. God bless you.
Just Yeboah de in fact abedum Ghana nyame de abedum Ghana oboaye Ghana Blasters wake up course na wake up ne Yebobi ne Yebobi sa no e deal for rebe e dey come share eba because na Yebobi first game no 17th June 2026 that is Wednesday na etwam ye no ana Ghana Yebobi first match against Panama in BMO Sports Field in Toronto, Canada. Now before say we watch na so for be dey come share be na aba chese ebi mo dia na e koma Ghana kakra e ma na actually say ebembe ho how say cause some for could say be can say they na somehow accurate.
Tomorrow Ghana will win the match. We enter Canada. We enter the stadium. Clean sheets. Sweet win. 1-0. Settled. Tell Ghana that they should calm down. By the 81st minute going, we'll score 1. It's 0-0. Don't worry. How many minutes now? 66. 81st minute. Tell your neighbor, calm down. Let's get ready for the praise reports. The Ghana goal is coming. Get ready. Go 1-0. I told you.
I say accurate or can say sure 1-0. Now one ko be 90 81 plus minutes e ho no moko ana goal de be say ne come no you know na everyone say ben accurate and say ben accurate I say but then be mo say dey if and if I say because the moon head and can see po yen kan sem ni si fa ko ase ye kan ha ni asa kwa grant interview TV so na ye say couple for us be if and if ye hu de akoni now that Wednesday no anopa na ebe ball no ana Yeboah Agyekum Francis o sa ba dey nkyerɛkyerɛ for e bae
Wo hwa na wo yam bom sa de no e betima disgrace me bato enye yare mama obi an koton aduro ma say yare Yeboah Agyekum Francis ene me trust sa de no de ye na metima ma na jai so me trust simple thing na be ya e be jai at times so oba bi na ho ye din e bi a meeting ana boyfriend aba won chen ti da o nan so na uyam bom fine girl won feel comfortable then na so ye ma me nkyerɛ Yeboah Agyekum Francis medically sa de no ye fe no bobo rigme kana minti bobo rigme eye Greek onomatopoeia Greek for the omaso to from said I didn't see boom no and I'm two no din bobo rigmos and a bobo rigme nke Ghana na yeto sa medical term na nke be friend no because ana yeso yete no me pacha what say like video no na me ntro na onipadua se de nyame aye no no ho system ba ko a onhome eye the digestive system na yedidi a oyam aduane no ye digestive system onhome me pacha aduane da oyam a oyam aduane ni oyam a ohuru nkukuo enkuku hohoro na ohoro no cleaning agents omo oyam a omo clean yeyam omo ne cause sa didi no I friend bobo rigme na senior man na oho ana cleaning agent for na nka Ghana be from Zoom Lion e from migrating motor complex MMC obi onim MMC bia nim say the American ye no kre de onim so de bedwin say AI enfiom brabesua de esi ni say every 90 minutes to 120 minutes bia no onipadua no o clean oyam ohoro nkukuo ebia na wadidi mucus wo oyam bacteria cry away yam me so mo boa digestion normally mo wo large intestines obitimi fra by the small intestines or see it me pushing it down na ye cleaning mucus na wo yam ni nyina na ye dey prepare for aduane fofora eba sa preparation na omo ye no omo squeeze air no a enam small intestines no through peristalsis move down no it me create that sound vibration that vibration na ye tina bonten ndi imagine how I etinye mo yam a wotina bonten we be say na e fa he na ba bonten ma wote enam o muscles na wo yam no the rectus abdominis muscles no if intestines man na appear for because sound travel in tissues and in water very well enti na wote abonten a wote sa didi no but ya te ade asu ade mama obi a meka ncho say ekoko nkoto aduro nkosa bibi na obi dey very loud sing obi depending on how our tissue na wo hanete se fat wo ha bebra e ba it me absorb no nti endura bonten kese na mom se kom so de na wonya ni di a emala sound ni bebre na mframa so gina oyam a etima sound no eye bebre mframa be dia akọ oyam wo did na didi intentem hop mframa timi wo oyam straw onom drink carbonated drinks na mframa timi wo oyam ana mframa timi ko gina oyam wo we gam we enya adebone ba mpelem cho say wo we gam a you are more or less like chewing in thin air but you swallow nti ebe ma mframa kakra agina oyam onom bia ne sane manya mframa timi gina oyam ti wo ho timi buso na wa yidi apie bi be ko woyam nti ne nyina nkanfu na ye pushia free afunu no ma na apie abonten se bi etimi fa oto te se eta na apie na de mucus na ye nuane na leftovers no eka ajanan no ho na ye nto wakọ toilet na eno apie na woyam aye clean untimi mfa wonsa enhye woyam clean nti o se nyankopon sa ma na nyame oye neat papa once almost cleanliness is next to godliness into ono no onfa bibia untimi nya ni ago o clean ma na ohun ato me pacho saadi a ekoso oyami se ompe onye comfortable o meet na na pese efi ho ana ejaya then na obeye Yeboah Agyekum Francis de obeye nyina ne se pansuo na sepe ne kakra ma no nso no gumaguma pansuo na sepe kakra we are take a deep breath but slowly about calming it down me pacho makatro say your gut digestive system no otimi ni ya adwen di nkomo direct ti o second brain kwame dey ama o gut and the senior man say bibi so nkoso wo ho yi a ono so timi ye sa rumbling sound no I say or react ama adwen na ho say problems e bi ikoso then so betima ma oyam abobom wanya nsuo na onya kwadu na odi kwadu mienu a eno so be ma ho akame down na megu ani mas because nipa be brain hwe Yeboah hu say we enya yare obi bedwin say o koko ntina yam bubom enye koko enye hwe eye normal thing but we ati ase na obi wo ha ni yam bubom ma etimi ye ne ya wo de no it comes with pain and diarrhea and ase bibi no wo de ese ko hu doctor ya na enye normal e bia na ade bi na ye na ma yam na bubom because ya na ho no gas no omo respond to issues ni say wo de no emmom kwa na ebom with pain a ko hu doctor Ghana
entretire bi teaching bi na very nice na emu no eno chipo bibi wura mu say World Cup no match na Yekobon against Panama no straight win 1-0
Ghana match na ye boy ye win straight 1-0 makada da no pa no na me sen sisu bia me dia na Yeboah Agyekum Francis share video na enka obinsa
1-0 it obi anto na adwene mo obi unrest 1-0 and we say lo and behold Yekopie mu a 90 minutes plus 93 minutes na Ghana yahye was your ball full 90 minutes, and I said 5 minutes or so. It did that 90 plus 3 no. Ho, and I gonna go and buy 1-0. Nurse and seminar Yeboah Agyekum Francis can no. Straightforward. Although my one even if or can no pa. And you was I can straight. And 1-0. Just I want stress it. As you said, yatra na to be a catcher and say na game no be siako. Now when a level of accuracy and a level of confidence na Ghana first I am nwanwa. Na nya bia Yeboah Agyekum Francis yi. O ye de be ya. O ye sofo. Anasa o ye ho eto Ogidi Brown mo abetiro madwen.
Ade no o sha Yeboah Agyekum Francis no. Obe nim from obe ye obi. There be enya no ma enya eyin kwa na oye. Enya science and hwan kwa Yeboah o nim from oye comfort noche oye bibi kan de oye chene Ghana for ankasa cause o say ye be sha Ghana be sha 1 pe ye de upon 1-0 ena a happen no Yeboah afede o di asofo na adwuma na ya na Yeboah Yeboah Agyekum ena happy no hey medi wati me try bet but men trackers examine GD share the panda you hey last minute coachy babre wo hwe ne tiri hu adun se na yam hyehye no hey last minute Yeboah Agyekum and you
dear Yeboah Agyekum Francis, my humble request is, and I hope you see this video before Ghana Black Stars play their match against Panama. Please, we all know the heartbreak our Black Stars can cause us, and it's not new to us, but we want to know if there is scientific backings or there is a way out that we can avoid or heal fast from that heartbreak, because the Black Stars is becoming like a source of heartbreak to the Ghana Black Stars. And it's quite unfortunate that your home country will be playing that you will not support them. It's quite unfortunate. You can say that no, you don't support the Black Stars, but the moment the kickoff starts, bro, there is no way you are not supporting the Black Stars. So, Yeboah Agyekum Francis, please, my humble request, is there a scientific backings or scientific way which we can heal, like we can heal fast, right? We can heal fast, or we can avoid the heartbreak from the Ghana Black Stars. I want to know, please. So guys, you watching this video, tag Yeboah Agyekum Francis to give us the scientific way or to teach us about the heartbreak of the Ghana Black Stars if there is a scientific backing to it. Thank you.
And I'm so my Avraham Bomoshe Chires on there. Or her Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Or your D4 na commission a kakra sene a D4 nibia omo ebe if any for the wada ye to ayampian e kan se ni wo mu de no
Monty Agyekum Francis
Ghana match na boy ye win straight 1-0 makada da no pa no na me sense bia me dia na Yeboah Agyekum Francis share video na enka obinsa God bless you Ghana match na boy ye win straight 1-0 makada da no pa no na me sense bia Ghana match na boy
Obi amoni se Agyekum Francis Obi anka se Agyekum Francis Obi antro prophet Agyekum Francis. Obi antro prophet Agyekum Francis. Obi antro prophet Agyekum Francis. Kan antro wase wasa de meje wo no. Tie ni bio.
Ye win straight 1-0. Makada da anapa no. Na me sense su bia. Me dia na Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Share video na enka obinsa. God bless you. Ghana match na boy. Ye win straight 1-0. Makada da anapa no. Na me sense su bia.
Obi antro prophet Agyekum Francis no size. Kan fa no size so. Obi antro prophet Agyekum Francis no size. We or temper with timeline. We on my catalyst or kasai and na universe ne say mate meba me ngu animu ase mema na bem. Said ye mwesie Jimmy no. Can you share live na to gift fam? Can you share live no to gift fam? Mum pen no kura mu Ghana. Messi Agyekum Francis wati we. Messi said the amount for bonne poatu was a dakro. me say medical student ye wo Ghana ni sa university medical student ne medical for no said the omo monitor Agyekum Francis no na eda wo nim ana no be pa ebi a oka chemical bi ebi a enipa wa dwenim no ye wo ensuo bi wom ye fe no tetrahydrozyne na onim a obeti e ho na obehu reactions awabehu. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Frank Fifi Boateng. I am a student and a medical student of the University of Science and Technology. Recently, there is a brother on social media. I call himself Agyekum Francis, and he's giving some information, and I think he's wrong. He said there's a chemical in the brain called tetrahydrozyne. But you see, the chemical composition of the brain is divided into dynamics and the frequency. So when you decode the mujimi what mujimi asia force mo mumpeni papa wo system nim mo bebre papa me see eda Agyekum Francis na no bepa no e ho na obehu di omo de beye no enu nti na me see e ma no mamu ha Agyekum Francis bebre mumbra me side because Agyekum Francis de no e science a medicine, a botanical names, Mukowa, obey confused. Me dear Nanshada Yedi, Mumraha, come to daddy. Agyekum, guess the pair, and I'm a new problem. Sankabama mana by Messiah. Said the Messiah promote you. Oh, I'm telling you. Me, be able to me, I catch him, Avraham. Guess, dear, me Jema.
Chirawa, you have mammy, comment session. I hype in your blood media. I grab.